Let's go with G part, part G, that is prepositions they have given as I said you before. Now let's go with first one. The room is getting, and the prepositions, G part, fill in the blanks by using the correct prepositions from the box, okay. Answers are, options are across, at, along, over, off, on. The room is getting dark, please switch dash the lights. The room is getting dark. Let me erase this one. Yeah. Let me erase this and stop. Yeah. G part, I think. Now this is G part. That is, yeah, G. The room is getting dark. Please switch on. G part. First one is switch on. Always switch on. This you know very well. Switch on. Please switch on. Okay. Workbook part we are doing. Page number. Let me tell you the page number. G part we are discussing. Okay. G part. The first one is on. The first one is on. Second one, the paint on this cupboard has on. The paint on this cupboard has on. Off. On, off. On, off. The paint on this cupboard has on, off, means coming out of that one. Okay. Yeah, the next one is the boys were not at home. Already we discussed, right? At home. Next, they were walking along the river. Along, I show you, see if this is the river. If this is the river, if you walk along, this is called, if you walk this side along the river, or this side, that is also along the river. But if there is a bridge, and if you walk on this, then across the river, that is. We will walk, dash the bridge and get closer to them. Now you can write across. Fifth one, across. Fifth one, across the river. Okay, now sixth one, the bird flew over my head, means above. Over my head. The bird flew over my head. First one on, second one off, third one at, fourth one along, fifth one across, sixth one over. I hope you have finished. Let's move that side. Now let's go with that side answers. Okay, fine children. Yeah. We have plenty of space there. Little, yes. Yeah. That side, that is H. Now line wise, let's go with this one. Circle the correct answers. They have given options. You should first line, second line, third line. I'm going to write like this. The chameleon is a reptile. It is a relative of the lizard. Of. It is relative to the lizard. To the lizard is wrong. Of the lizard is correct answer. Okay, are you following me now? I hope you are following this one. And the next one is the most interesting thing about the chameleon, not of no, about the chameleon. The most interesting about the chameleon is that it is able to change colors. It is able to change quickly from white to white to one to no, third line from white to, okay. From white to yellow, black, green or brown. It can do this because of the differences in light. Act like no, in light. Differences in light and temperature of its surroundings. Okay, next paragraph. The chameleon lives in trees, not at trees, in trees. Next paragraph, first line, in trees. It can remain very still on a same line. Same line on a branch for hours. For hours it can live on a branch. Okay, for hours. And the chameleon has long sticky tongue. It can shoot out its tongue about a distance of 10 meters. About. Okay, about. That's it, Nana. Okay, let's go with the next one. That is, look at this picture of a bookshop. Write 4 sentences about it using the prepositions beside, above, on, below. Let's go with that one. Beside, above, on, below. let's write some sentences about that one, and then think and write is for your homework. Let's finish this. First, let's use beside. The books are beside the greetings. Can we write like that? The books are beside the greetings. Can you see beside the greetings? Happy birthday. Okay, first one, beside. The books are beside the greetings. Yeah, first one we have finished. The next one is above. The flower vase is placed above all the things. Okay? The flower vase is placed. The flower vase is placed above all the things. Above all the things. The third one is on. The cat is sleeping on the shelf. On. You can say on the first shelf. On the first shelf you can say. Okay. The cat is sleeping on the rack or shelf, or that is on the first shelf or on the rack. Okay. Yeah, next last one, on the shelf or rack, on the rack or shelf. You can write shelf also. Below, the greetings are below the files. Okay, the greetings are below the files. The greetings are below the files. Okay, that's all now. Okay, the greetings are below the files. Okay, let me move a little bit. Okay, now you could see, I think. Sorry. Yeah, now I'll down it. Yeah, you could see now. Yeah, fine. First one, the books are beside the greetings. We'll stop. The flower vase is placed above all the things. Above all is enough. Above all the things. Okay, the cat is sleeping on the rack or on the shelf. Shelf or rack, your wish. The greetings are below the files. Now once you listen to me, and let's end the session, and we'll go. We are going to end this 9th lesson's workbook part. Think and write, page number 58 is for your homework. Think and write is for your homework, today's homework. Page number 58 is today's homework, HW. You see there, I have written HW. What you have to write is, you have to write a paragraph on the topic, my favorite room. It's very simple. About your favorite room at your home, like your house. Okay, about your house, in your house. 100 to 150 paragraph, and begin by stating that room is your favorite. Like my favorite room is kitchen, my grandmother's kitchen, or my kitchen, our kitchen, and describe how it is. Say what you like to do in that room. What do you do in that? I like to, you can say I like to help my mother. If it's kitchen, don't like kitchen. You don't like kitchen, right? I know, as for my knowledge, you like your room, your bedroom, your dining hall, or your hall, main hall. Okay, that you can say. Yeah, then say what your hall, main hall, that sitting hall. Okay, that you can take. Write why the room is your favorite and how you feel when you go there. Okay, these hints you should take. See, write like this, not sentence wise, paragraph wise. Okay, in this way you need to write. Okay, children, this is for your homework. But write about your favorite room, 10 lines at least. That's all for today's session. Bye bye for now. Have a nice time.